Here we use the population model P of t equals P naught e raised to the power of kt, where P of t represents the population after t years, P naught represents the initial population, that is the population when t equals 0, and k represents the growth rate, t represents the time in units of time. So let's plug in the information which is given in this question to write down the population model. So I write P of t, and this equals, we have to identify P naught, which is the population when t equal to 0. So when t equal to 0, P naught equals 18,100. So we have P naught, this equals P naught equals 18,100, and k is the growth rate which is given as 4%, but we should give this in terms of decimals. So I write 4% in decimals, which is 4 over 100, and this equals 0.04. So the value of k equals 0.04. Now we will plug in P naught as plus k into the population model. So therefore we get P of t equals 18,100 times e raised to the power of, replace k by 0.04, and then we have this t. So this is the population model. Now let's answer part B. Here we have to determine the population in year 2008. So let's determine t, which corresponds to the year 2008. 2000 year corresponds to t equal to 0. Therefore, the year 2008, and this corresponds to, we should do the subtraction 2008 minus 2000, and this gives 8. So, this is the value of t, which corresponds to the year 2008. Now, we have to use this population model which we found in part A to plug in t equal to 8 and determine the population in the year 2008. So, when we plug in t equal to 8, into the population model, we get P of 8, and this equals 18,100 times e raised to the power of 0.04 times replace t by 8. So we do this calculation, that is, we get 18,100 e raised to the power of zero point zero 0.04 times 8 is 0.32. So we can plug in this expression into the calculator, and when we do that, we get 24,926. This is 24,926, and this is approximated to the closest integer. So we say that the population in year 2008 is 24,926.